Hello and welcome to DouglasESL. This is the Types of Nouns series, lesson number 6. And in this lesson, we're going to distinguish between possessive and material nouns. Okay, possessive nouns are nouns that show ownership or possession of something. So if you own it, like your car or your home or your book, it's your possession. You have ownership. Possessive noun examples, I've got two different columns, singular and plural possessive. In singular possessive, it's one person or one thing that owns something, that has ownership. In the plural possessive, it's more than one person or thing that owns something. What you have to look out for is to always look for where your apostrophe and S is. In singular, it's apostrophe first, then your S. Plural is S, then apostrophe. So the first example, dog's bowl. One dog, D-O-G apostrophe S, one bowl. Next example, dog's bowls. One dog and maybe two bowls or three bowls. Maybe the dog has a food bowl and a water bowl. So one dog, two bowls. Next example, boys, apostrophe S, toy. One boy who owns one toy. Next example, boys, toys. One boy who owns maybe 5 toys or 10 toys. Next example, students, book. One student, one book. Lastly, students, books. One student, apostrophe S, who owns more than one book, maybe 5 books or 10 books. The plural possessives, more than one, showing ownership is S apostrophe. So dogs, apostrophe, bowl. So maybe there's 3 dogs that share one bowl, or 5 dogs that share one large bowl for their food. Dogs, bowls. More than one dog, more than one bowl. Maybe 10 dogs with 10 bowls. Boys, toy. So maybe there's 3 boys, brothers, and they own one toy that they share. Next example, boys, toys. Maybe there's 3 boys and maybe 10 toys or 20 toys. Next example, students, S apostrophe, book. So maybe you have 2 students that share one book. And lastly, students, books. Maybe 20 students with 20 books. Example sentences of possessive nouns. Number 1, I have Bob's computer. Bob owns the one computer. Bob's, apostrophe S, computer. Number 2, Tom's car is a Toyota. Tom, apostrophe S, owns the car. It's his car. Number 3, the dog's toys are in the yard. The dogs, maybe 3 dogs, own toys, maybe 10 toys, and they're all in the yard. Number 4, you need the manager's code number. Possession, the manager has a code, and you need the manager's, apostrophe S, code number. Number 5, Douglas' computer is broken. Apostrophe on the outside because Douglas ends with an S. Douglas' computer is broken. Number 6, the girls' books are all new. Girl, one girl, apostrophe S, the girl's books, maybe she has 10 books, are all new. Material nouns. Material nouns are nouns that refer to material or substance from which products are made. They are uncountable nouns and usually have no plural form. Examples of material nouns: water, gold, steel, sugar, soap, soil, wood, salt, coal, cotton, tea, coffee, iron, copper, sand, milk, wool, honey. These are all natural resources, natural raw resources that we use to make other things, so we call them material nouns. Example sentences of material nouns. Number 1, they ship a lot of rice to Africa. Rice, a natural resource, rice to Africa. Number 2, the honey is used for making cookies. Number 3, they need salt for the chips. Number 4, we use sand to make the mortar. Number 5, the trees are used to make paper. And number 6, the gold is used to make jewelry. Here's our assessment, possessive and material nouns assessment. Choose if the underlined words are either possessive or material nouns. Number 1, the girls' test was very difficult. Number 2, I have enough corn to feed everyone. Number 3, the well has no more water in it. Number 4, the ship's cargo is oil. Number 5, she wants to buy Bob's old car. Number 6, we need more coal for the fire. Number 7, my car's engine is broken. And number 8, the tree has many apples. You can pause the video to give you a little bit more time to select if the underlined words are possessive or material nouns. Okay, let's look at the answers. Number 1, the girls' test was very difficult. So it's S apostrophe, so more than one girls, and they owned the test. It was their test. So more than one girl, each took a test. Number 2, corn is a material noun. Number 3, water is a material noun. Number 4, ship, apostrophe S, ship's cargo is oil. Ship is possessive, one ship, and inside the ship was a material noun, oil. Number 5 is possessive, Bob, apostrophe S, Bob's old car. Number 6, coal is a material noun. Number 7, car's engine, the engine owned by the car, apostrophe S. And number 8, tree and apples are both material nouns. Please like, subscribe, and share to hear more English videos in the near future. Thank you for watching DouglasESL.